Greetings, my name is Jose Gonzalez, and together we're going to be installing Python on my computer. So let's get started. So we're going to install Python from the Python website, and we're going to need a web browser for that. And so I'm going to open up a web browser here, and in the address bar I'm going to type the address of the Python website. So here's the Python address, it's python.org. Here we are on the Python website, and the process that we're going to follow is very similar regardless of the operating system that you're using. So Python is available for many different platforms. I'm going to navigate to the Downloads tab, and over here it has detected that my operating system is Windows, and it's proposing a Windows installation, and in fact that's what we're going to be using today. As of mid-March 2021, the current version of Python is 3.9.2. So your version may be different depending on your operating system. Also notice that Python has put a small warning here regarding older versions of Windows, which may not be compatible with this version. You may want to check your version of your operating system, and if it's not compatible with the version that Python's website is proposing, you can navigate to the list down here and click on it and select a version of Python that's compatible with your own system. For me, this is fine. I'm going to click on the proposed version, and by clicking this button, and Python proposes to save the installation program to my local computer, and I will launch it from there. So I will do that by clicking on this button. Now I've launched the installation program. Now in the installation program you have a couple of choices whether to install it now or to customize the installation. For this demonstration today, I'm just going to install now. But before doing that, I want to call your attention to this bottom section right here. And one of the things that I strongly suggest you do is to add Python to the path of your operating system. So by checking this box over here, Python is always available for your command line. So it's going to make your life easier if you do such a thing. So I'm going to proceed with install now. So the installation of Python has been successful. So I'm going to close the window and go to the next step, which is to test our program to see if Python is running correctly. So in order to test the installation, I'm going to open up the Windows search bar and going to type the name of Python's integrated development environment. And it's very basic, functional, but it's good enough to do some basic projects. And the name of the IDE, the name of the integrated development environment is IDLE. So I'm going to type the name down here, IDLE, and Windows has found it, and I'm going to click on it to launch it. So welcome to IDLE. And so this is the Python interpreter. The other word for it is shell. And what the interpreter allows you to do is to be able to run Python commands on the Python command line, which is these three chevrons right here, and it will interpret immediately the command that you type. So I'm going to type a very simple command. And what I've typed is a one-line command, and the command reads print and followed by parenthesis. And between the parentheses is what I am going to print. I'm asking Python to print the phrase hello world, and I'm going to press enter. And here's the confirmation. So Python has responded by printing exactly what I told it to do, which is the phrase hello world. So we have a successful confirmation that Python is running, and it's running well. So this is the end of the demonstration. I hope you found it useful, and thank you for watching. Bye.